What is up, guys? It's your least favorite moto vlogger, Ethanol636. No, that's not right. What up, Braz? No, that's not it either. 636 gallons of ethanol? No, that's not it either. Oh! I remember. What is up, my fellow Eth addicts? As you can probably tell by the title, I am on my way to go ride on the most dangerous highway in the country. This is not up for debate, it's not an opinion. There is more deaths on this freeway than any other freeway in the country. Most years by a pretty large number.
The country's most dangerous road is right here in Houston. I-45 is the deadliest highway in the entire U.S., even worldwide.
And my favorite part, it's rush hour. It is, well, that time is incredibly off for a good reason. Man, I haven't done that in a while. There he goes. Whoa! Oh, look at that. One hand. Oh! That could have been bad. Word of advice, don't one-hand it. I could boop that right now. Nobody can tell me I can't. Alright, let's get up there. That place has been having their grand opening for like 6 months. Look at that thing. That's cool. It's not Halloween anymore, but you know, that's cool still. Man, I really underestimated how cold it is. Oh, it's so cold. It's almost cold enough for snow out here. Every time Houston gets snow, the whole city shuts down. People don't go to school, people don't go to work, nothing. Like a centimeter of snow, they don't know how to act. Look at this bad boy. It says 5-0 on it. I think we just had a state trooper merge behind us. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like jail. Oh, I think it's got a supercharger on it. Oh, look at the hood. That's crazy. Big bump. You ready? Oh! It wasn't that big. Oh, this bike is great. Listen, man. If you've never rode a motorcycle, you'll just never get it. This is a crazy feeling. Every time. It never gets old. Oh yeah, get it, boy. If you guys are wondering why this is the most dangerous freeway, there's a couple of reasons. Number one, because of stuff like this. There is things in the road all the time. You'll find like home mattresses, couches, pieces of furniture, 2x4s with nails sticking out of them. Doesn't matter, they're all over the place. Number two, people drive like assholes. There's road rage all the time. People shoot at each other, people crash into each other, they do it on purpose. It's the craziest thing you ever seen. Number three, there's a lot of exits and merges and things like that are very tight, and there's not a lot of space, and if you miss your exit, you know dang well that you're going to take 20 minutes to get back on route. And that's if you don't hit traffic. If you hit traffic, you're cooked. You're never going to where you wanted to go. It's over. We're going to flip a quick U-turn because I was actually going to a store. Oh, there's the police. I keep hearing a bunch of crackling noises. If it's my camera, I'm gonna trip. Oh, it's a cow. There's only one way to merge onto the highway. You gotta be going faster than everyone else or they'll run you over, bro. That goes for cars and bikes. It's really kind of kill or be killed on this highway. It's kind of crazy. Once you're on the highway and you're in the further left lanes and you're just cruising, as long as nobody's being a douche, you're fine. But if you drive an hour, you're probably going to want to run into, you know, 1 or 2 douches. It's like a 1 to 2 douche per hour rate. And I hate to say it, but they usually got paper tags, which I don't know if anybody here is from Texas, but we don't got paper tags no more. That's not a thing. You get metal plates from the rip. Rip it, dude. Show me something. Virginia always sounded oddly similar to vagina for me. I don't know. Call me whatever you want, but brother, listen. This mattress store right here, mattress store closing. They've had that sign up for like 7 years now. And I am not exaggerating when I say 7 years. I mean 7 years of that. Alright, brother. The ground's a little cold right now. I'm a little nervous to lean this thing too much. And the ground is not just cold, it is almost freezing cold. Quite literally almost freezing cold. And so yeah, we're not gonna do that. Hey, it's called ethanol addict, not crash addict, right? Am I right? Come on. Alright, time for a Yui. Don't crash. Oh, I'm going slow. I'm a noob. Dang, dude, they got some holes in the ground over here. Like, no joke. Motorcycle parking right here. Alright, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. See? I'm back. And I got my gloves on and I forgot my keys in my pocket. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. The I have no idea what I'm doing key. I just double-handed that. That was kind of sus. Right now, oh, she's got a fishing pole in there. And Grandma's fishing. Alright, fair warning, I'm about to expose you guys to the sun. You ready? See how bright that is? Jesus Louises. She's telling me to pass her? I'm not gonna pass you. You go. Alright. I'll pass. Oh. It's because she was going back that way. Time to get back on the highway. I went in there looking for a sprocket. I don't know why I thought that they would have a sprocket, but they did not have a sprocket. How many times can I say sprocket? You see, this is a prime example of why there is so many accidents on this highway. Look at this traffic right here. All this stuff merges. Like 3 lanes merge, and everybody wants to be in the lane that they got to be in because they're all like exit-only lanes. You can only do what the lane tells you to do, you know what I mean? So everybody's got to move all at once. So now here, all of us are at the same time. Gotta put my visor down. That sun's bright, dude. All at the same time, trying to do the same stuff in different ways, if that makes sense. And then you got stuff like this. People on the side of the road, people breaking down, people pulling over just because they feel like it. That is life. That is life here. Go, buddy. I don't know why you waited so long. He thought I was going to punch out his mirror. Pop, 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 pop. Ready? I'm going to do it. Let's go get into some off-roading. What do you think? Oh man, it's cold. I do not want to be stopped right now. Screen. I'm not ready. Ah, wait for me! Both my visors are halfway up. Look, we got a friend. Yo! That's a nice bike. Sick, dude. Oh, there he goes. Okay. That's not the place to do this, pal. We almost lost one of the all-time greats on a road just like this, going slower than we're going now. I'm not interested. Man, he has got to get the stock exhaust off that ZX-10R. I know that thing screams. Whoops. That was an accident. Oh, nice Camaro. Oh, it's cold! Watch this. Look what I can do. Oh, man. Why do people give bikes so much space and lights? It's actually kind of hilarious. It's like, listen, I'm not gonna like freaking punch your mirror out if you get within a bus length of me. You're fine. Just like, you know, we're a light. I do appreciate the space though. Just a little unnecessary, the amount of space. You know what I mean? I want to see what's over here. is this? Is this actually a road, or is this just like a little pull-off, or what's going on here? Okay, this seems like a road, maybe to the RV park? I don't know, man. It seems like a good picture spot is what it seems like. Oh yeah. Now we just gotta hope we don't get arrested for trespassing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not very good at taking pictures. I don't know how to do it yet. I ain't one of you freaking professionals, you know what I mean? Take one that way, one this way. Maybe we'll come over here, get some of the traffic in the background. All the people are looking at me, that's great. I don't have any social anxiety at all. Maybe we'll come this way. Get the sun in the background? I don't know if that's the move, actually. Oh. Maybe one of these vertical ones, too. Just like this. Oh, yeah. I need to, like, look up online how to take good pictures. You know what I mean? I want to know where that leads. Off-roading on the ZX6R? Oh boy, that's probably why we don't do that. And there's a stick somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. It's in my radiator. Well, damn it, maybe we shouldn't do this, huh? Oh god. What a mess. And I created it. Alright, we're getting out of here. This is too much. Don't worry, guys, I'll find a way out of here. Well, if this ain't the dumbest shit I've ever done. Alright, we're good. I'm gonna check for sticks real quick and then I'm out of here, boy. Maybe a higher clearance bike for off-roading would be better. Who's she smiling, texting? Alright, I'm gonna ride the bike a little easy until I know for sure that there's no sticks anywhere on the bike. Anyways, man, if you liked the video, like it. Please, guys, I'm begging you. Anyways, yeah, if you liked the video, man, like the video. If you didn't like the video, don't like it. Not gonna hurt my feelings. Y'all be safe out there. I know it's getting cold. Gonna start getting some snow in a lot of places. Gonna start having some cold ground. Don't be taking corners too fast. You will crash. You will feed the concrete. Anyways, peace.